Imagine looking at a market ticker for 3 straight weeks, waiting for a single trade to happen, and seeing absolutely nothing. Zero. Usually, when a digital asset goes that quiet, it means something broke. This, however, is not a dog-themed joke token that the internet forgot about, nor is it an artificial intelligence project that crashed after losing its initial hype. The ticker symbol is SLR. The name is SolarCoin, and instead of being built for day traders to gamble on, it was designed as a direct reward system for generating green energy. What is genuinely surprising is that this project is not new. It was actually built back in 2014. It has quietly sat in the background, surviving over a decade of chaotic market booms and busts. Right now, it sits right around 6 cents a coin. That is barely down from its all-time high, which it hit back in January. The price hasn't collapsed at all. The general sentiment around it isn't negative. It is simply dormant. And for a fully functional piece of technology, that kind of total silence is highly unusual. That flatline in trading volume is not a sign of a failed project. This particular digital machine operates on a completely different set of rules, and we need to look under the hood to see how it works. To figure it out, we have to step away from the digital trading screens and look at physical reality, specifically everyday people putting actual solar panels on their roofs. The math is straightforward. When a panel generates exactly 1 megawatt-hour of clean power, it rewards the owner with exactly 1 solar coin. But there's friction. You must provide actual proof the electricity was generated, verified through a strict checkpoint, before the coin is minted. Most digital assets are created by computers solving complex math puzzles purely for the sake of keeping the network running. There is rarely a physical offline equivalent. Because every coin represents verified, real-world electricity, it's less like a financial bet and much more like holding a verifiable industrial reward point. So why is nobody trading it? The answer is buried in the coin's supply math, its tokenomics, and it's the reason everything stays so quiet. Right now, the total value of all the coins currently available on the public market is under $4 million. There are only about 65 million individual coins floating around out there. This scale shows the 65 million coins available today versus the total amount planned, a colossal vault holding near 98 billion locked coins. There is no coin burn. Instead, it is a painstakingly slow release, dripping out over a 40-year schedule. That massive, slow-moving supply schedule is why the trading volume is flatlined. The system is built for a 4-decade marathon, which naturally repels anyone looking to make a quick flip. When we step back and look at the entire project, we have to weigh that long-term design against the reality of the current market. The optimistic case is clear. It pays everyday people for generating verified, clean electricity. It has real-world utility, and it has reliably executed that purpose for well over a decade without collapsing. But the cautious perspective is equally clear. On the major platforms where you can actually buy or sell it, the trading activity has essentially vanished. This chart shows the primary risk for anyone holding the asset, something called dilution. Because over 99, if you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so we can keep bringing you honest, hype-free breakdowns. And remember, this investigation is absolutely not financial advice. Always do your own research before jumping into any new market.